Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to unbox this fan which is from the brand Sun King. On the box, as you can see, the brand name is mentioned over here, which is Sun King foldable fan, which comes with 1 year warranty. Towards the bottom of the box, it says that this fan can operate up to 24 hours on low mode using its built-in battery, which is quite impressive. The height of this fan is adjustable. This fan works under 4 modes and the 4th mode is bit special. I will explain about it in a while, so watch this video till the end. And this fan comes with micro USB port for charging the built-in battery. Now let's open up this box and see what we have got inside the box. As you can see, there is one instruction manual, a good quality and good length micro USB charging cable and a fan. The finishing and build quality of this fan is really good. And towards the right side, we have this micro USB charging port. Towards the bottom, it has anti-slipping mat for better grip. So now let's talk about the adjustable height, tilt angle and locking mechanism of this fan. So when you completely fold this fan, it will become just 9.3 centimeters, and when you fully extend this fan to its maximum height, it can extend up to 1 meter. Also, this fan comes with simple locking mechanism. Also, you can adjust the head of the fan according to your needs. Talking about the battery capacity, this fan has got a huge 7650 mAh battery capacity in it. In order to check the battery status, all you need to do is press this button once and the 4 status LED indicators will light up according to the charge present in the battery. As you can see here, the battery is fully charged, hence all the 4 LED indicators are on. Each LED indicator represents 25% of charge. And when you put this fan for charging, the same 4 LED indicators will show you the charging status. This fan has got a powerful BLDC motor or brushless DC motor, which makes this fan more quieter, efficient and more reliable in operation. Now let's talk about the modes of operations. This fan works under 4 modes. If you are using this fan in mode 1, this fan will run about 24 hours using its built-in battery. On the second mode, it will run about 10 hours. On the third mode, it will run about 6 hours. And on the fourth mode, it will run about 12 hours. Now the fourth mode is a bit interesting, and they are calling it as a natural wind mode. On this mode, fan will cycle on and off, providing you with a natural airflow just like cool breeze coming from the window, and hence the name natural wind mode. If you don't want continuous airflow, you can use this mode. So now let's check the airflow from this fan. As you saw, the airflow from this fan is pretty powerful and sufficient for a single person. The front grille and the fan blades can be cleaned by opening the front grille. This fan consumes a lot less power than the conventional ceiling fan. Its built-in USB charging port allows you to charge the fan and use it later without relying on the electricity. This fan can be used in many different ways. For example, it can be used as a table fan while you are working, or you can use it in your shop, or in your van, or while camping, and the list goes on and on. So talking about the price, this fan is available for rupees 3999 or $53. And if anyone is interested in buying this product, I have provided the link in the video description. So that's about it for this video. Like this video, share and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.